Hi everybody, midday here on Monday as we observe Veterans Day. It's been a great day for parades and ceremonies, cool but dry conditions. Same not going to be able to be said for your Tuesday. Another round of moderate to heavy rain coming our way. It was chilly to start this morning, widespread into the 20s. This is not even the coldest morning that I'm expecting this week. Let's talk about the rain, though, because the area of low pressure down in the southern U.S. coming our way. It's going to track, it looks like, right across the coast and maybe Buzzards Bay or the Cape by tomorrow midday. And that's going to bring us out ahead of it, all that rain and some gusty winds. So we've got some heavy rain in the morning hours of Tuesday, some strong wind gusts. Keep an eye on rivers. No significant river flooding is expected, but they're going to be running high and may overspill their banks briefly. The rivers we're most concerned about are the Wood River, the Pawcatuck River, and the Patuxent River. Those are all running high still after all the rain that we've been seeing recently. Wednesday's a dry day, but it is going to be cold and it is going to be a windy day for us. In terms of any headlines, wind advisories or watches, the only thing we have going on right now is a high wind watch for Nantucket from 9 a.m. tomorrow morning until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. High pressure is going to keep us dry rest of the day today, but clouds on the increase. You can see those clouds making their way across western Connecticut right now. The rain itself moving up through the mid-Atlantic by the end of the day today and into New England overnight tonight. So we're dry through midnight. Rain going to be widespread and heavy for tomorrow morning's commute and right through about the lunchtime hour, and then it races out of here. So by the time the kids are heading off the bus in the afternoon and certainly by the evening commute, we're back to drier weather. So that means all this rain is going to fall in a pretty short amount of time. We're going to be picking up about another inch and a half of rain by most of our computer models indications. And so downpours likely in the morning hours, and could see some street flooding and some poor drainage flooding, especially with any leaf clogged storm drains. So clean them out if you can. Winds are going to be strongest right as that low approaches. That'll happen in the late morning, early afternoon, so gusting 45 to 55 over Nantucket and maybe the southern part of the Cape. 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts at the coast of Rhode Island and a little lighter further inland. Wednesday, another round of strong wind gusts in the morning and early afternoon hours could gust 35 to 45 miles per hour. So in terms of rainfall chances tomorrow, well, you can see it. They are likely right through midday and then really dropping off quickly. So it's a morning impact for us, particularly 1 to 1.5 inches of rain, heaviest 5 a.m. to about 1 in the afternoon. Winds gusting from the southeast tomorrow, strongest at the coastline. So street flooding and minor river flooding possible. Wind damage, I don't expect a lot of it with the amount of winds that we're expecting, but we could see some isolated damage or outages. Let's talk about that 7-day forecast. 2 chances for rain this week. Tuesday is our first day. Behind it, Wednesday, Thursday, cold and dry. Check out the wind chills. Wednesday afternoon is going to be feeling very much like a winter day. Thursday, similar. Look at the low Thursday morning. Could be in the teens in spots for lows. And then we got to keep an eye on the timing of the arrival of our system on Friday, because our computer model showing some of this coming in Thursday night. May be cold enough for a brief mix inland areas at night before changing over to rain for Friday morning. Rain, heavy at times Friday morning, midday hours, gusty winds too. Sound familiar? Looking cold and dry heading into the upcoming weekend. You can stay up to date on all of the latest forecasts, WPRI.com.